Hi, I'm Jackie Van Ruler, creator of the Flow Method for Radiant Health and Beauty, and I love helping you grow young instead of growing old. In today's video, we're going to talk about knee pain and how you can relieve knee pain from reflex points on your face. So there are a couple of reflex points in your face that have to do with the knees, and they are going to be, well, first of all, I'm going to use a little detector that looks like this, and it has like a little rounded point at the end. If you don't have one of these, just pick up a simple crochet hook from your nearest craft store. This one is a size 7, and so you can see it's got about the same width as that. You want one that's not super pokey, so it has a little bit of a rounded edge on there. I'm going to use my detector, and there's a point right where your beginning of your brows are. If you come all the way up about halfway between the top of your forehead, it's going to be right in this area. And this is point 197, and this has to do with the knees and the eyes. So if you have anything going on with either of those, that can be knee pain, inflammation, just range of motion issues, stiffness, you can massage this point. And so when you find these points, you're going to massage them for about 20 to 30 seconds, and then you can move on to the other side. Now generally, if you're massaging the left side, that's going to correlate to the left side of your knee as well. But if you had knee pain for a while or knee issues, it can cross over. So you do want to work both sides regardless of if you just have knee pain in one side or the other. As you can see, those areas turned a little bit red. My right one turned a little bit more red than the left. I don't have knee pain, but if I did, you might notice that there was like a bogginess here, or that turned even more red. Or sometimes people will even get like moles or breakouts or things like that on the spots where they have corresponding issues in their body. So what happens is that when you have knee pain, your body is sending nervous system signals from that point of the body to, well, throughout your body, but the nerve ending that comes to your face would be right in this area. And so those nerve endings or those nerve transmissions are actually running slower than they normally do. And so when that happens, you can actually feel either tenderness or bumpiness or bogginess on that part of your face. And so as you're massaging it, if you have those issues in your body, you'll often feel it as sort of a tenderness or just this feeling that feels really good on your face. And as you start to massage it, you may start to feel the knee pain or the tenderness or the inflammation start to fade away. The other area for your knees is going to be from the corners of your mouth out to your ears. And the way you're going to work that is just take the detector or your crochet hook, and you're just going to do circles in this area. And you're going to feel for spots that feel different than the rest of the area. So they might feel more stuck. They might feel tender. You might get a spot that just feels like super zingy. And when you find that spot, you're just going to hang out in that area and just massage in there for about 15, 20 seconds, and then just move on. And what you're doing when you're massaging that area is you're sending, instead of sending these stress signals in your body, you're sending calming and relaxing signals. And so as you're doing this on a regular basis, you're actually training your nervous system to send these calming signals instead of the stress signals. And so you're going to relieve your pain and inflammation without having to use medications. If you've had knee surgery and you're just recovering from that, this is going to help speed up the healing process, decrease inflammation, and decrease pain from that as well. You'll also probably notice that you have a bigger range of motion without pain. So this can be a really great way to help with your physical therapy because you're doing it from the inside out. So you're helping with the nervous system, and then your physical therapy will help with the actual movement of the muscles, ligaments, and tendons, and all those things. So again, the points for the knees are the beginning of the brow, halfway up your forehead, and then from the corners of the mouth out to the ears. And a lot of times people who have chronic knee pain will get wrinkles right in this area that extend out, or you may see moles or things like that in this area, just extra redness. When you work the area out, your skin actually becomes more bright and glowy as well, because whenever you have those nervous system transmissions that are moving slower, it's going to show up on your face as more dull skin or darkness or things like that because you have less movement in your face. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any of my other videos. I'll be putting out some other ones on other areas that you may have pain in your body, such as your low back or shoulders. I think I already have a video on that one. But also things on digestion, sleep, anxiety. And if there's anything that you'd like to learn more about, please post that in the comments below. So be sure to subscribe and then pass this along to friends who might need it as well. I look forward to seeing you soon.